Club W by Debbie Accord. Hello, my name is Debbie Accord, and I'm the Executive Director of Club W. We are an online wine club. We provide our customers with a selection of over 1 million bottles of wine, along with information, tools, expert advice needed to enjoy your wine. We have the best delivery service in the industry, and we back our products with a satisfaction guarantee. I am here to illustrate why you should invest in Club W. Club W is excited to mention that their features include affordability with pricing starting as low as $25 a month, convenience. They have apps on both Apple Store and Google Play, discounts on purchases. Our clients do not have to reorder each month unless they choose. Everything is automatic with the options of skip a payment or payment vacations. Our members get the first choice of new wines. There are special promotions. There are several tiers to choose from, as well as monthly or quarterly shipments. The members receive a free birthday shipment. And Club W offers expert advice to all of our members and customers. Club W offers many benefits, such as expanding a customer's palate with wine they would not usually buy in a local store. They help beginners develop a palate through expert recommendations. These experts handpick wine from all around the world, and each bottle has their own story. The experts offer pairing suggestions and suggest wines to go with recipes and meals. Club W provides on-hand wine to cover last-minute gatherings, and they offer a referral benefit for customers who refer their friends, family, or organizations to sign up as members. Some of Club W's competitions are the local liquor stores, chain stores, party stops who have experts on the spot, other online clubs, and other monthly clubs such as beauty, food, or apparel because of the expenditures. Also, grocery stores. The target market for Club W is primarily people who are in relationships or who are married. These are the entertainers. The age-related group would be 25 to 50 in the middle to upper class. The target market appeal are to the females at 75%. Club W targets the beginner enthusiast who is looking to develop a palate, as well as the gourmet who is needed on-hand stock for cooking and pairing meals. The party planners are also a target because the people that they serve, they need to have the wine on hand to taste, test, and offer it for parties and weddings. Club W reaches the geo-target with the largest shipment footprint of all wine clubs in January, April, and August, covering 15 states. Club W is dominated in urban areas February, May, June, July, September, November, and December. In March and October, Club W is the largest supplier to Texas, New York, and California. Club W will focus its marketing on commercials and ads on social media and its personal websites, as well as word of mouth through the referral system. Club W delivers with consistency and offers certain date delivery, since someone 21 years of age must sign for the package. The wine is packaged in a secure foam box providing the utmost protection during transportation. Most packages are small and manageable. Club W offers a local pickup option for convenience. They also watch the weather. They have weather management where they monitor the weather for shipments to make sure that it's not too hot or too cold, and offer an alternative if needed. They also offer the same-day shipment on orders placed in the morning, as long as it's an in-stock item. At Club W, there are several raw materials utilized. First, they need corks, screw tops, and packing supplies such as boxes, foam, and tape. They need wine barrels, wine bottles, and grapes for their wine that is produced. Lastly, there are labels, shipping, and postage charges. The suppliers are the local vineyards and national wine vineyards and wineries. The supply chain begins with the strategies from the design to the prediction of the customer demand. The supplier is the procurement process. It is where all the raw materials are purchased. Barrel Mill for the wine barrels and Forterra for the bottles and corks and screw caps, and other vendors for the packing supplies, labels, foam, tape, and boxes. The manufacturer or the production is the process that involves the assembly of the materials into finished goods. And they are Barzee Winery, Texas Hill Country Wineries, which has 52 locations throughout Texas, Florida Orange Groves Winery for the tropical and citrus wines, and Westbrook Wine Farms for the more mature wines. We will be using a social media platform for marketing, utilizing as many social media networks as possible, focusing on Amazon, Pinterest, Facebook, and YouTube first. We chose these channels because of the growth and the popularity of online shopping. Club W has their own network of fulfillment centers across the country, which will enable them to serve nearly every state and helps them locate them closer to their customers. Excuse me. They utilize UPS and FedEx for premium shipping to either the home or a designated location, which they have partnered with over 10,000 participating locations nationwide for a pickup, where a required signature can be obtained for an adult of 21 years of age or older. Club W will use the performance maintenance retrieved from Pearson Education, utilizing 3 areas: the customer relationship, order fulfillment, and supplier relationships. Customer relationships will measure the performance by the percent of correct orders taken, the amount of time it takes to complete the order placement process, and the customer satisfaction with the order placement. The order fulfillment will be measured by the percent of incomplete orders shipped, the percent of orders shipped on time, the time it takes to fulfill orders, and the percent of returned orders, customer satisfaction with the order fulfillment, and the cost it takes to produce the product. The supplier relationship will be measured by the percent of on-time deliveries and the supplier lead times, the percent of defects, and the cost of products and purchased materials. Now we are reminded of Colossians 3:23. Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as if working for the Lord. Now Club W has a direct distribution channel. We sell directly to the customer. We chose a direct channel because there are no intermediary levels. Club W sells directly to our customers through online websites and social media. The cost of the distribution channels varies drastically. Facebook is running around $500 per month for a target audience, where YouTube is around $2,000 for every 10,000 target audience reached. Amazon is around $40 a month, depending on how many items sold. Club W's value chain, the production, the vineyards, and the wineries adds value by converting raw materials to the final product. The social media adds value by exposing the product to target market. Personal website adds the value by providing product through feedback. Distribution adds value delivering the product to the customer, and the customer service or customer adds value through improvements in satisfaction guarantee. Club W plans for future growth by expanding to larger vineyards that can provide a wider or more mature wine. We plan on offering more tiered plans to suit our customers. We would like to be able to offer rare wines to the serious collectors. We have plans to partner with hotels and restaurants for our own line of wines. And lastly, we would like to plan on targeting the millennials by selling by the bottle at discounted rates versus a monthly or quarterly memberships. Some of the changes that we would have to do to our distribution channels may be adding intermediaries to help. Now there are some threats to Club W. Some of the threats would be legalities of transporting liquor across state lines. Each state has different regulations which must be followed. Second would be the quality of the wine. We have to make sure that the wine, that the manufacturer has provided a quality product. Weather is another unpredictable threat. It can be too cold or too hot to ship the wine. Also, a natural disaster can halt the production altogether. There is always a threat of the underage drinker who's always trying to get alcohol. Other wine companies is a threat if they can provide a better price or a service. So as you can see, Club W is an excellent product with a huge potential. We have a strong target market with the age group of 25 to 50. Club W has many features it's a product that is affordable and convenient, and it offers expert advice and help. There are many benefits other than just expanding the palette, such as growing a collection and getting pairing suggestions. By using a social media platform, it is possible to reach millions of potential customers. Club W has strategized and developed an effective supply chain and distribution channel that works. We have identified both threats and future growth opportunities. And we would love to have you join us for our success story. Thank you.